Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love read now. This is from now till the end of March, Leo. Let's see how you're doing, how your person is doing, and what action we can expect now in your love life. And these are general collective readings, Leo, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. And welcome back all my subscribers and welcome in all newbies. Thank you for being here. Newbies, if you enjoy the reading, do subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So the first few cards I have, I'll be taking out two sides this time. This is person A and this will be person B. So if this is your reading, Leo, you would know which side you resonate best with, right? So for me, this is person A right now. Person A has the Ace of Wands in reverse, Four of Swords in reverse, Three of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, Hermit, and the Six of Swords. And the most likely action this person will take. All right, let's see person B. Justice, Nine of Swords, the World, Death, Page of Cups, and the Hierophant. Most likely action person B would like to take. All right, bottom of my spread, I see, ooh, the Queen of Swords. All right, this is an angry, very, very angry queen here, Leo, that we have. I don't know whether this is you or your person, but for me, this is from what I see. Person A is feeling very restless, quite low. They're not feeling that zest for life anymore. Whereas person B, this could have been a messy divorce or something as well. And person B is also feeling, this relationship was not balanced, there was no justice, but they've kind of stopped now worrying about it. Nine of Swords for them is in reverse now. If they were worried about it or they were having sleepless nights, I don't think they are anymore. At least person B isn't. But person A is still feeling a little depressed and feeling a little low about whatever's happening between the two of you. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards and see if you guys could say something to each other, Leo, what that would be, and then we'll start clarifying these cards. Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Let's take one more. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. Thank you. Okay, and we'll take some true confessions as well for Leo. Leo and their person spirit. Thank you. All right, Leo. So the first card I have here says, I have a hard time focusing on you when I'm trying to build an empire. Maybe that was the issue between this, and that's why this person feels there was no balance, there was no justice in this relationship anyway. My person was always very busy and they never gave me time. And maybe they spent many a sleepless nights or, wishing, hoping that their partner would give them time. But now they're saying, hey, they were trying to build an empire. But I think in the meanwhile, there's trouble in the relationship now. My past of how I was raised affects how I act now in life. I have other things on my mind other than you. Same thing, right? Somebody who's not paying enough attention to their partner. Maybe they were told as a child that they have to work hard and being the provider means being a good spouse or something like that. And but they forgot that, relationships need to be built on trust and love as well. And you have to give time. I didn't really believe in marriage until I met you. You don't have to build an empire alone. Let me build it with you. Now, second reference to that empire that one person was trying to build. So the partner saying, instead of neglecting me, instead of always leaving me by myself, why don't you include me in your life? I'll help you. At least we'll be together. I've come to realize that I'm I've come to realize that I'm not more awakened than you. You're awake too. Yes, maybe they never kind of regarded their partner to be their equal at one time, and they, thought they were bigger, better, trying to build their empire. And now somebody is coming to the realization that, yes, I should have given, they are as capable as I am. Soon I plan on returning. Hope it can work this time. Okay, so Leo, let's see what's going on here. Before I do that, Leo, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to bless this reading. Let's see what blessing, guidance, advice, or message my angels have for you now. Vision. So, what do you see in your vision, Leo? Do you just see an empire? Who do you see your empire with? So, whatever you see in your future is what you have to inculcate from now. Otherwise, some things get left behind. Okay, so I'm going to keep this card here. So, be very sure of what your vision is. One way or the other, whatever makes you happy, whatever doesn't make you happy, you can eliminate things, you can add things, you can encourage things. Whatever you see in your future is what you should focus on. Okay, so why is person A feeling in the Ace of Wands energy spirit now? Ace of Wands in reverse. Why are they feeling like that now? Yes, because see, now their home life is in trouble. Things are not working out in the home front with their happily ever after. Four of Swords in reverse. Four of Swords in reverse. Yes, they are now feeling the pinch of it. Maybe they had so much to do that they lost out on the best thing in their life, or they're feeling it now. And this enlightenment is coming to them that, hey, I was stuck doing things which have pulled me away from my partner now, maybe. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to feel like this? In the recent past, either they broke their partner's heart, or they did something which broke their heart as well, and things really came to a stagnancy here, or maybe ended. Okay, so what's this Three of Swords, Spirit? What's this Three of Swords? Three of Swords. Three of Swords. Yes, I think somebody was relentlessly pursuing what they wanted to do. It was battered and bruised. I have to do one more thing, and not giving up to, smell the roses here. They just wanted to keep moving non-stop. And I think in the bargain, they lost something which broke hearts here. What happened here, Spirit, with the Three of Swords? Yes, now this person is full of regret. That, oh my God, what did I do? I lost, my emotional happiness here. What's this Knight of Cups? Knight of Pentacles in reverse. What's this Knight of Pentacles in reverse? Yep, they feel it's all over now. So something has really come to an end now, Leo, for person A. I don't know if this is you, or maybe you're on the other side, but person A is now feeling that they're feeling confused, they're feeling depressed, and they're feeling bad that they've lost their stability. They're feeling, because maybe they broke hearts, or now they're feeling heartbroken because things have come to an end, stagnancy, but there's a lot of regret here, lot of regret. So how do they see their partner, Spirit, now? How does person A see person B now? Hermit. Now they've kind of, I think, started to see the good in their partner. All the things maybe that they never paid attention to, maybe this time of solitude, this time of being alone, they've started seeing their partner in a different light. They see that their partner has pulled away from them. That's number one. They see their partner as glowing. They see their partner as beautiful, and exciting now and whatever. But now they also see that their partner's not giving to this connection anymore. That their partner's ready for action in some other direction now, not towards them. And they've pulled away from them. Six of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Why do they see their partner as the Six of Swords in reverse? Yes, because they see that their partner doesn't. They just feel that their partner doesn't want to start anything new with them now. They are heading towards a direction which is opposite to this connection, and they're not interested in any fresh new beginning, and they're looking good while walking off as well. They're not looking sad or depressed. They look like, yes, I'm ready for my new beginning, but it's not going to be with you now. Let's see how person A is actually feeling. Sorry. Person A's action card we'll open later, Leo. And I'm going to switch over to the other side, person B's side, to see how person B is actually feeling now regarding this. This is their perception. Person A is feeling this way. Let's see how person B is feeling now. So person B feels justice in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Why is the justice card in reverse for person B? Yeah, they feel there is no balance, there is no justice in this relationship left anymore. Maybe there was a court, there is going to be or has been a court case where things have not, this thing maybe a divorce case or something, where person B has openly said that I don't feel it anymore. I don't want to be in this connection anymore. I want to walk away. I'm going off. This 8 cups were emotionally draining. There was nothing there. So what's the point of being in a connection which I never felt emotionally happy? Right? So person B is ready to walk away. 9 of Swords in reverse. 9 of Swords in reverse. Yeah, they feel there is no chance of working together anymore. And since they've made a decision now, they are actually feeling quite relieved, and they're feeling now at least I don't have to be alone and crying and waiting and feeling always like, sad and lonely. So person B has made this decision that there is no working together between the two of you, and it's better to walk away. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to feel like that? World in reverse. Why was the world in reverse? Why was the world in reverse? Maybe there was distance between the two of you. Maybe one person was always traveling, and then this connection finally came to an ending with the Death card. Yes, person B felt that this person was only kind of keeping them strung along without actually giving them anything. And they also feel that the person was kind of pretty selfish and only kind of going after their own dreams, never really giving to the connection. So I think that's the reason person B decided, I'm going to end this connection now. Enough is enough. I can't do this anymore. One card for the Death card, Spirit. One card for the Death card. One card for the Death card. Yeah, this person got emotionally drained, I think, of this connection to say, hey, I can't live like this anymore. I'd rather kind of keep myself to myself now because there's nobody to hear me out anyway, and get out of a place which is always conflicting to me. Right? So person B decided to put an end to this connection and an end to conflict and fighting and bickering or whatever used to happen between the two of you. So how does person B now see person A? They see them as the Page of Cups and the Hierophant now. Maybe they feel their partner wants to now apologize to them. 1 second. Why do they see them as the Page of Cups, Spirit? Why does person B see person A as, yes, they feel or they see that the person A still doesn't want to end the chapter with them, and that's their perception. Okay, that's how they feel, heart of hearts, that the person still wants to come towards them, maybe apologize to them, not end this chapter with them, is still wanting to keep this relationship or this marriage or whatever going with them. What's this Hierophant spirit? Hierophant. Yes. Yes, they feel that their person misses them and doesn't feel strong without them being in their life, and they want to come back and offer maybe an apology or sorry, maybe say, hey, can we make it work once again? They feel this is how they feel. Maybe person A doesn't feel that way, but this is how person B is feeling, that person A feels about them now. So let's see in actuality what is the action person A would really like to take towards person B. Magician in reverse. Why is that, spirit? What's this magician in reverse? Why is that an action person A would like to take? It's too many cards. One more card, spirit, for the magician in reverse. Oh, they feel their partner tricked them. They feel their partner tricked them because they didn't want to be in a marriage or something. They didn't want to grow with them anymore. They feel their partner wanted to be single and available and take care of only themselves. They feel that their partners left them out in the cold and no longer wanting to be with them and grow with them. And what else? But they still have a lot of love for person B. They still feel the love. Do they want to offer it, spirit? Yeah, they want to offer it. See, what person A feels is my person has. This is just an illusion. They've just created this whole drama, whatever. They've been tricky. They've been a trickster. It's just that they've kind of left me out in the cold here. They've left me all abandoned and sad and lonely because maybe they wanted to be single and they don't want to be with me anymore. But in actuality, person A, I don't know, maybe they feel that person A, B still loves them but is just angry and upset with them. This is the same card here, Queen of Swords. They feel that, there is still a lot of love between the two of us, but or maybe they feel their partners that angry with them is now becoming single to go and find new love. I don't know. This is confusing. You'll understand if this is your story. Let's see person B, what action how do they feel about person A now? Yeah, see, person B, who I think is this Queen of Swords in reverse, feels the person is the King of Swords in reverse. Unemotional, not kind, very rude sometimes, very egoistic and unemotional and not loving at all. No wonder they've turned into the Queen of Swords now to protect themselves. They feel the person makes them angry. Why do they see person A as the King of Swords in reverse? Yeah, they are now checking out what else is out there. I don't think person B is really interested. They feel the person is hard and cold and calculating. They feel they know all there is to know about this person now. They don't want to have any fresh new beginning with person A anymore. They feel this person makes foolish decisions. This has come to an almost end here. The stagnancy everywhere. Right? So person B, I don't think is interested. Person A is trying to find excuses now because they can't understand why person B would ever leave them. Anything else that Leo needs to know, Spirit, now? Anything else Leo needs to know now in this about this connection? Anything else they need to know about this connection, Spirit? Yes, Spirit saying there was no balance in this relationship. There was no equal give and take, and that's why this problem is happening. One person was, this was not like the Justice card in reverse, right? This was not a balanced, equal give and take kind of a connection. So that's what's happening. I'm sorry, Leo, not the happiest of readings, but yes, it's better to know than not to know and live in, anger and upset forever. So keep your vision on your future. There's always a brighter tomorrow coming up, right? So keep your eyes on the prize. Don't look back if that hurts. And that's all I have for you. Till next time then, Leo. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.